Paano i-monetize ang Facebook personal account? What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sa video ito ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-monetize ang Facebook personal account. Kaya stay tuned until the very end para wala kayong ma-miss na information. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated for upcoming videos. Punta lang tayo sa ating profile at i-click ang 3 dots. Then, turn on professional mode. Balik lang sa profile and click dashboard. I-click ang monetization. Pindutin lamang itong stars. Then, add payout account. And then, mag-set up ng payout account. Ilagay lamang ang first name, last name, date of birth, country, and other important details niyo po. And after that, kailangan nyo din mag-set up ng mode of payment, whether it's through bank account or through PayPal. If you choose to get paid through bank account, you need to provide a bank account and you need to fill in the required information. Mag-submit din ng valid ID at TIN number. Now, if you choose to get paid through PayPal, you need to create a PayPal account and then link it to Facebook. Before I forgot, para ma-monetize ka sa Facebook, kailangan mong magkaroon ng 1,000 followers para maging eligible ka sa stars in which you can earn money. If you do not have at least 1,000 followers, hindi ka pa po pwedeng makapag-monetize. Kaya, tiyaga lang po muna mag-post ng videos and images every day para magkaroon po kayo ng maraming followers. Nagustuhan niyo bang video ito? Paki-like naman at subscribe. Kung may katanungan po kayo o may gustong gawa natin ng video, comment down lamang po. I hope may natutunan po kayo sa video ito. Thank you for watching.